What's up, YouTube? Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today we're talking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the S Pen again. If you guys have been following the saga, I made a video over the weekend, which had a lot of people upset apparently, for various reasons. Samsung posted on their official blog page that the Galaxy S25 Ultra had a standalone Bluetooth S Pen that you could purchase, and it turns out that information is false. Somehow they allowed this commissioned blog post with a huge section that's all about it, and also some other corroborating evidence to go unnoticed, but it appears that that information was false. We'll talk about that today. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys, make sure you check out SammyGuru.com. If you haven't ordered a Galaxy S25 yet and you would like to, you can tap on the orange banner at the top, get in our mystery box program, get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies. Use our link to purchase here, fill out the verification form. The link will be below if you are interested in that. So let's get into two things. One, the original story, because I want everybody to understand the original story. What happened was on Saturday, this past weekend, someone over on X, Workaholic David, I think is his handle, noticed that Samsung had a page on their own website, which is their Business Insights page, which basically said that the Bluetooth S Pen existed for the S25 Ultra, but it was sold separately. It even says parenthetically, now sold separately. So it doesn't seem like a mistake. And we left our original article intact. I just updated it and changed the title. But if you go here, let's actually check and see, is this still here? Let's scroll down. They said they were gonna fix it in today's statement. It's still there. Still says now sold separately. There's a Bluetooth S Pen now sold separately. So obviously we published this article because it's on official Samsung website. Not only that, there was an Amazon page that supposedly listed Air Actions, and I don't know if this is still available or not, but you know, this is on the Amazon UK page. And so this piece of evidence was also there. I don't want to sign in, but you guys can check it out on desktop. It also said there was Air Actions on the Amazon UK page. So we published this, discussed the evidence, talked about it. Of course, we knew that the S25 Ultra didn't have the charging tech inside to charge the S Pen, so we're wondering like, how is the S Pen going to charge, etc. And I made a video discussing some of the concerns. Throughout the day, a bunch of other outlets, published some things saying, oh, well, it's not really true, but it's on Samsung's website, so we reported it. I updated it throughout the day as well as we got more information, but we really didn't get an official statement from Samsung until today. Samsung issued a statement this morning to Android Authority. I updated this at 1:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday the 27th, and they said to Android Authority that the statement on their blog post was erroneous. There is no Bluetooth S Pen. It doesn't matter what S Pen you utilize with the S25 Ultra, there are no Air Actions in the menu. And I already showed this to you guys because if you check out the video I also did a few days ago, I think I did it the same day that I talked about Samsung's blog post and the fact that there could be a Bluetooth S Pen. I showed you that if you go into the menu here, doesn't matter what S Pen you use, there's no Air Actions menu. On the S24 Ultra, there's an Air Actions menu up here. Doesn't matter which S Pen you use on the S25 Ultra, there's no Air Actions menu. I even tried the S Pen Pro from several years ago. I still have one. S Pen Creator Edition, all the S Pen Samsung sells is not gonna get you back that Air Command menu, which is supposed to go up, sorry, Air Command, Air Actions. Air Command exists, but this does not require Bluetooth. Sorry, I misspoke. But that's not gonna bring it back. Technically, they could bring it back in software, I guess, for something like the S Pen Pro that doesn't have to silo inside because there's no tech in here to charge the S Pen. So that official statement from Android Authority came down. It looks like that's the end of the dream of getting an S Pen with Bluetooth specifically made for the S25 Ultra. Whether or not they can enable it for the old S Pen Pro or a new one that doesn't charge in the device would require a software update, obviously, because there's no Air Actions. So that's that saga. Now, in addition to that, because so many people were very passionate about this, tons of you, I decided for fun, wouldn't it be fun, if we started a petition to get Samsung to bring the Bluetooth S Pen back with the S26 Ultra. Now, is this gonna do any good? I don't know, probably not. But hey, if we get 1 million signatures, maybe they'll at least notice it. So I put this over on my X, and we're gonna post it on Sammy Guru as well. You can go here and sign the petition. We already got 17 people, that's pretty good. Demand Samsung Mobile to reintroduce Bluetooth S Pen for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Put the issue in there, said how much people really like it. Samsung decision makers, Samsung Electronics, we had them tagged here in this particular petition on change.org. So if you guys want to sign it, if you're passionate about it, sign it. Who knows? maybe they'll notice it. I'm gonna, try to get as many people as I can because everybody seems like they really want it back. And it seems like kind of a silly thing to remove. I mean, okay, some people don't use it, but they say a lot of people don't use it, but what do you really gain by removing it? I don't think we really gain that much by removing it. We didn't get a bigger battery, right? And I don't think the battery life is really gonna be that impacted if we bring back Bluetooth on the S Pen. So it might be the case that not a lot of people used it, but I don't really see why we can't have it back. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about it. That's there, the change.org petition. It'll be linked. We'll have a Sammy Guru post about it as well. I have a lot more stuff coming up on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I already made a first 10 things to do video. You can go check that out. I have a bunch of other coverage on hidden software features that Samsung didn't talk about at the event and other good stuff coming up. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.